What a good boy. What a good boy. Do you want some food? Do you want some food? Let's go. Let's go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. What's that? What's that? Come on. Good boy. Oh. You. Huh? Oh. Hmm? Ah. You good boy. You good boy. Yeah. Hiding that ball. You hiding the ball. Oh, you gonna try to hide it? This is your ball. You hiding that ball? Is that your ball? Hmm? Is that why you're guarding your ball? I'm not gonna take the ball. Just gonna slowly go over here. Not gonna take the ball. You heard that. You understand that. What if I go back here? Maybe I will take the ball. Maybe I will take it. Maybe I will take the ball. Girl. Yeah, I got it. Oh, oh, I got it. I actually got it. Huh? You good boy, yes you are. Can you share that ball? No? You gonna I got it. Hmm? Come on, boy. Come on, bud. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Okay. Let's go. We're very happy, very excited. First, sit. Good boy. Here we go. Ready? Ah, such a beautiful view out here. Thinking of right? Or are you thinking of left? Well, you decided left. Or no, you decided right. Can't decide. Too many options. Too many options for a dog to pick. Oh, you want to go left. Okay. So many smells for that snoot to smell. That snoot to sniff every one of these smells. Nice view of the mountains. There's so many things to take in. Going along this little trail, I see. What'd you find? What'd you find? What'd you find, bud? Ah, horses. Of course. Let's go the other way, shall we? Okay. And then we will snoot. And then the snoot will sniff the cement. In the snow. Okay, looks like that did not get rid of all that stuff. There you go. And a clean pup is a happy pup. What do you say, bud? Nice and cleaned off. You go the other way around. Ah, sniff of the God. See, that's the problem with being a little tall. All the trees want to high-five your face for some reason. Hi, good to meet you. A little more. Okay, let me just duck down a little bit. There we go. What? Want to say hi? And then finally, the big snoot will sniff the snowman. Gosh, again? What the heck? Okay, watch where I'm going, clearly. How can I watch where I'm going when I've got this cute pupper next to me? Dog on the road, dog on the road, dog on the... It's impossible to feel sad when you got this good boy just leaning his head on you. Right, good boy? Yeah. Good say no to that, please. Especially when he grabs your arm like that. Yeah, you see what this is. Okay. Being a good boy. Good boy. Here we go. Good boys get good treats. Look at the joy. You've had a nice, long, fun day, haven't you, buddy? Sweet dreams, pupper.